Hello everybody, welcome to the Trade Wizard Monitor. Now in this video, we are going to talk about Intraday Trade Monitor. Now how do you look for Intraday Trade Monitor? Basically is that you can see on your left side here, there are different panels. So what I normally do is that I will shift or I will change one of the panel to Intraday Trade Monitor, whereby you can click onto this switch panel and then you can click onto Intraday Trade Monitor. So intraday trade monitor is basically a site for you to look for stock opportunities to trade. So as you can see currently, there are different stocks pop up here, okay, which means that these are the stocks which are currently being transacted, whereby a lot of people are currently buying and selling these particular counters. Now, you can see that there are different lot size over here. 50 lots, 100 lots, 200 lots, okay, up until 5,000 lots. Now, these are basically the lot size of the transaction. For example, you can see that this jug warrant being transacted about 1,500 over lot. Okay, this YH prop being transacted at 361 lot, 300 lot, 424 lot. Now, in order for you to look for stock opportunity to trade, normally one of the way is that you can click onto intraday trade monitor and see which are the counters that currently being traded actively. Okay, let's click onto 100. Okay, so you can see that let's say OCR being transacted at 1,000 lot, 200 over lot. Okay, so the smaller the lot size, of course, it's easier for you to look for trading opportunity. However, some of you guys would prefer, let's say, bigger lot size. Let's say 1,000 and above, maybe 2,005 or 5,000. Why? Because normally the higher the lot size, it means that the amount being transacted generally is heavier. Okay, and of course, if the lot size is heavy, it means that normally the transaction is big, which means that there's volume, there's momentum. Okay. Now, however, it also depends on the share price. For example, you can see that this company with a share price of 7 cents, so 7 cents, even with big amount of lot size, let's say 4,000 plus. However, the amount is small. Why? Because if you use this times 7 cents, the amount is actually small. Okay, the cost is actually small as compared to, let's say, a 1 ringgit stock. If the lot size is 1,000, it will easily way more expensive in terms of its cost of transaction as compared to this stock, whereby you can see the cost is just 7 cents, 7 cents, okay, 2 cents, even though the lot size is heavy. Okay, so generally speaking, of course, the bigger the lot size, the heavier the cost is in terms of transaction. Yet you still have to look at the price of the stock. So now, green it means buy, okay, while red it means sell. So normally what we will do is that we will want to look into stocks that are being bought into currently, especially for those of you who are intraday traders. Okay, by the way, this is normally used by intraday traders to look for opportunity, whereby they want to see which is the stock currently being actively bought. Okay, so you can see, let's say maybe this counter is being actively bought, and then you click onto it to see its individual chart whether you want to trade it or not. Of course, in our case right now, we can see that this company is heavily being sold. So you can see red color, which means that it is heavily being sold. Okay, and you can see that it is keep on popping up. So let's click into this counter. Okay, so this counter, once you click into this counter, it will appear over here. And you can see that, yes, this counter actually is on a downtrend. Okay, and today is a bearish candle, whereby our bar color is showing black bar. Okay, so now we can see that Sunway with such a heavy price 396 and then being transacted by 1,000 lots. So when I click onto it, you can see Sunway appear over here. Then only you decide whether you want to trade it or not. Okay, so this is actually one of the ways. Let's say during market active period, then you are able to see which are the stock being keep on heavily transacted in terms of buying, which is green color. Then from there, when you click into its individual chart, then only you determine whether you want to trade this stock or not. And this is normally used by intraday trader. So with that, I hope that you learn something about intraday trade monitor, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.